Hi, my name is Rohit Srivastav, and we got Josh Kincaid and Claudia Durenberger, and we are from ToroAlerts. ToroAlerts, your stocks and our alerts. Well, we are here to introduce you to our hybrid platform of social intelligence and artificial intelligence called So Intelligent Platform. With this platform, what you could do is you could preserve capital when the market is in the downturn and ride it when the market is in the upside. So let me ask Josh and Claudia. Josh and Claudia, suggest some stocks about in cryptos.
Well, this is how.
Well, guys, they are trying to enact TikTokers. Believe it or not, this is how most of the people are getting investment advice these days, mostly the Robinhood users. Now, let me ask Josh. Josh, what would an investment advisor would give returns for the last 5 years?
The annualized net return over the last, has been 7.5% over the last 5 years, Rohit.
Well, the S&P 500's annualized return for the last 5 years has been about 15%, and it has been about 10% for the last, from 1957. Now, investment advisors and traders are two extreme spectrums of investment. Traders want to time the market, while investment advisors want not to lose the money. But what happens is 99% of the time, the traders cannot time the market, and investment advisors get returns less than what the market can give. So in order to do that, what we have is called as So Intelligent Platform. Introducing you to our mobile app, ToroAlerts. And in this mobile app, what you could do is you could set up a portfolio of stocks, and the app will recommend you buy and sell signals. These buy and sell signals are based on artificial intelligence, and the artificial intelligence identifies data points based on trading activity and various factors to identify when to buy and when to sell. Now, what you also could do is there's an aspect of our app which is called as the arena. And the arena has two types of people who use that. One are the contributors, and the other one are the users. For this particular presentation, we're only going to focus on the users. As a user, what you could do is you can find an algorithm or a strategy which mimics a mutual fund. For this particular presentation, let's search for VITSX. And this particular mutual fund is Total Stock Market Index Fund. Now, what you could see is you could see the returns in the last couple of years. You could see the sector breakdown. And what you also could see is an algorithm or a strategy which mimics this exact mutual fund based on sector breakdown. When you go into details of that, it will give you an idea about what kind of rating does this particular mutual fund has. And you can set up alerts. Based on that, you can set up alerts and say, send me alerts when the underlying stocks for a mimicked mutual fund is on the bullish or the bearish side. You could also set up alerts when the whole mutual fund itself, the mimicked mutual fund itself, is turning bearish or bullish. By this, what you could do is you could save some capital in the form of cash. Now, you could also set up the threshold, what you think is bearish and bullish for this particular mutual fund. Now, part of this is that you can get alerts or you can automate the trade. And that is part of the offering of our platform, is that you can automate the complete product into a third-party product, which we have on our desktop. So you can go to our desktop application, the Auto Executor, and you can set up a third-party integration. So you can integrate with an Ameritrade, an Interactive Broker, E-Trade, and we are integrating more platforms as well. What you could do is you can tie up your IRA account or your trading brokerage account into this particular application with a strategy which you have picked already or an AI system. And what it will do is it will automatically trade based on the AI system, preserve capital, and ride the market when the market is in the bull direction. Now, we track about 6,000 mutual funds, about 250 cryptos, about 800 ETFs, and 3,500 stocks in our AI system. In the world of social media, when investment influence